So to remove the burners, you can pull these two screws. This screw here, and this screw over on this side. Pull those screws out. Open up and you can see the igniter and the burner. Before you take this out, you want to note what position this screws at. So it looks like the second mark is about the center of the bolt. Just pull this screw completely out. Remove this fuel line. And you're also going to need to remove this nut here.
Okay.
Pull that nut off. Also this plate I actually like to put on there too. And you just turn it this way. You're able to pull that out. So on the fuel nozzle, you want to look in here, make sure it's not plugged or contaminated. Just wipe it clean with a rag. Probably be good enough.